Hi, Miriam.
Hi.
Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Today is February the 8th, as we all know, and we're up here in the University of Philippines Los Banos campus, up on the top of the mountain, Mount Makiling, and it's a special day for us. You know how Facebook puts those memories together. So just a lot of successive photos for February the 8th, and of different years too. For the first one was one of the first dates we ever went on was on February 8th, 2016, and it was up here. We didn't get to the exact spot, but we got close. And then what else?
Well, we got engaged on February 8th. So
Yeah.
we officially became a couple 7 years ago.
That's right, she got her ring. And we went to the bishop's residence in San Pablo, which is about an hour south from here, and we were looking for Monsignor that was going to officiate at our wedding. And a huge rainbow led us right there, and it was also a February the 8th memory on Facebook, so that was cool. And then, February the 8th of the next year, 2017, this little girl was still a very, very tiny premature baby.
In the incubator.
In the incubator, but luckily that day, the nurse had to take her out of the incubator. And, oh, you okay?
Yeah, and I got to hold her close to me for the first time, because if you knew premature babies, they don't just hand them to their moms and
No, they're very vulnerable.
No. So that was the first time I ever held her outside the incubator.
Yeah, and Miriam got to see that. You were tiny, huh?
This place is special for me, because I grew up here. This was my playground for the first 13 years of my life. I grew up swinging from the very vines in this forest. So.
Yeah, so we're actually close to where Vin grew up, right in the neighborhood here. So we decided to pull off to the side of the road and set up the awning, as you see in this video. It took us less than 5 minutes to get the awning out and these 3 collapsible chairs together. So yeah, it's going to be less than a 5-minute setup or tear down every time we need to do this, which is cool.
Yeah.
This is only our second time doing it.
Yeah, and of course we do know that we have to tie them down with guidelines and tent pegs, but we're not doing that right now because we're not actually going to stay here overnight.
So greeting to you all on this February 8th. I hope you're having a special day, as we are, and developing good memories for yourselves. All right, take care.
Yeah, and advance happy Valentine's. Much love and sending love.